Ever sent money on Venmo only to realize it was a total scam? Maybe you fell victim to a too-good-to-be-true concert ticket deal, or perhaps a shipping error on a non-existent item had you sending cash into the void. Whatever the scenario, you are left fuming and wondering, will Venmo help you get your money back? The short answer? It depends. Buckle up, because in this video, we'll dive deep into the murky world of Venmo scams and explore your options for recovering those lost funds. First, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room. Venmo, like most money transfer apps, prioritizes speed and convenience. This means once you hit that send button, the money generally zooms off to the recipient. Unlike a credit card transaction, there's no built-in cancel option. So, if you accidentally sent money to your grandma instead of your friend Gary, it happens. A quick message and a friendly Venmo exchange might be all it takes. But what if Gary suddenly turned into a ghost after receiving your payment for those guaranteed front-row Beyoncé tickets? Here's where things get tricky. Venmo offers a purchase protection program, but there are some key limitations. It primarily applies to purchases made from verified business accounts, not random strangers promising you the latest gadgets at half price. Now, don't lose hope entirely. Here's your action plan if you suspect a scam. Step 1. Act fast. High voltage. Time is of the essence. The sooner you react, the better your chances of recovering your funds. Contact Venmo support immediately. You can do this through the app or their online form. Be prepared to provide details about the transaction, including the username, date, and amount. Step 2. Gather evidence. Female sign. The more proof you have, the stronger your case. Screenshots of your communication with the scammer, copies of any fake listings, or suspicious emails can all be helpful. Step 3. Report the scammer. Block the user on Venmo and report them to the platform. This helps protect other users from falling into the same trap. Step 4. Consider your payment method. Did you use a credit card or debit card linked to Venmo? Contact your bank and explain the situation. They might be able to reverse the transaction if it falls under fraud protection. Step 5. File a police report, optional. Female sign. For larger scams, consider filing a police report. This creates a formal record and might be helpful if you decide to pursue legal action. Remember, prevention is key. While recovering scammed funds can be an uphill battle, there are ways to shield yourself in the first place. Here are some golden rules. Only send money to people you know and trust. This might seem obvious, but scammers are crafty. Be wary of deals that seem too good to be true, especially from unfamiliar accounts. Use purchase protection services whenever possible. When buying from businesses on Venmo, check if they offer their own purchase protection program. Communicate clearly. Before sending money, clearly outline the terms of the transaction. This creates a paper trail and helps manage expectations. The bottom line. Venmo can be a fantastic tool for splitting bills and sending quick payments. But be aware of the limitations when it comes to scams. By acting quickly, gathering evidence, and following best practices, you can minimize the damage and hopefully avoid future Venmo fails. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.